Welcome traders. In this video we'll see ICT Model 12 scalping strategy with the example of Euro USD today's price action. See guys, this is Euro USD 5-minute chart. See guys, same time, see guys, I am starting from this level. This is today's price opening level, that is day candle opening level. And see guys, price clear this buy sell liquidity. Can see price clear this buy sell liquidity at first. Same time we have below this trend line liquidity also. This is trend line liquidity. See guys, and see guys, as a model 12 step out. See guys, can see price clear this buy sell liquidity, and same time swing low. At the same time, see guys, this low is broken. That is indicate this three candles, this same bullish candles, is a order block. See guys, this low is broken, break market structure. Guys, this is break market structure. So these three candles is a order block. Then see guys, so model 12 price should tested the order block and not take this guy. You can see after clear this market structure, price created. You can see this is three candles are order block, not only last up close candle, these last three same candles, bull candle is order block. Then you see guys, break clear this low is break market structure, that is indicate this is valid order block. At the same time you can see price tested this order block also. See guys, above this level after clear this break market structure, price tested these three candles, this order block. Can see price tested this order block. After tested that order block, the push-ups, guys, see guys, that swing should be clear. See guys, break market structure. See guys, first confirmation is valid OB, that is order block. After created that order block should be tested, and that tested swing low should be clear, that is break market structure. See guys, clear. And after clear this break market structure, that tested that OB, these swings, last that swings should have fair value gap. Can see this candle low and this candle high created in this marketplace. See guys, that is fair value gap imbalance. This fair value gap. So model 12, see guys, valid OB should be tested. After tested that OB, that swing low should be broken, and this level is our entry level. See guys, this is our entry level, and our stop loss should be at this level, and our TP is as a model 12 rule, our TP should be 20 pips. See guys, so our entry, the stop loss is 20 pips only is our target level. See guys, that is model 12. If you can see guys, here's our stop loss 20 pips. Can see 20 pips. See guys, 20 pips is almost 1 TRR. See guys, 5.5 pips is our stop loss, TP is 20 pips. See guys, at the same time we know price will clear this sell side liquidity. Why? Because of price first clear this buy sell liquidity. We know market makers always move in the market to the liquidity to liquidity. They doesn't follow any patterns. See guys, at the same time can see first price clear this buy sell liquidity. Same time we have, after clear this liquidity, we should look for where is the next round liquidity. As we know, we have below this sell side liquidity. What is this, guys? This is these equal lows. Can see these equal lows, low low. See guys, this is equal lows. That is our sell side liquidity. At the same time, this is price imbalance. That is our fair value gap. You can say that is a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. See guys, that is our magnetic level. See guys, price clear first buy sell liquidity. Same time we should look for the next round liquidity. That is the we have at the same time this sell side liquidity plus fair value gap. See guys, that is our magnetic level. This level. As a monotone rule, our TP is only 20 pips. If you want to take some more pips, can set your TP at this level, can take a partial at this 20 pips. After price clear this 20 pips, your final target you can set at this level, because of we know market makers are should be clear this sell side liquidity. So first they clear the buy sell liquidity is our next round liquidity. You know, it's our next round liquidity. This level, you can see guys, if you set a target level at this level, see guys, so this is almost 35 pips sniper entry. All see guys, price respect first this bullish order block, and that swing low should be broken. See guys, after broke this level we should have fair value gap. Make sure that fair value gap in premium level. If you use your fib level, see guys, this swing high to last swing low, make sure your price in premium level, you know, above 50.5, so 0.5 level, that is 50% of level, that is premium level. Below 50% of level, this discount level. Make sure your fair value gap is in premium level. See guys, our fair value gap is in premium level. So confirmation, our next confirmation, see guys, we are in above this today's price opening level. Market makers always sell above the today's price opening level. Another confirmation is we have next on liquidity also, this below side. See guys, this is also liquidity and fair imbalance, price imbalance. Our extra confirmations after created these setups, market makers, see guys, clear. See guys, this is a market maker sniper entry. If you notice this, see guys, we are in London open kill zone. See guys, at the same time this is a rounder number also. See guys, 1.220 level. See guys, rounder number. Your stop loss is can set this level. Your target is 20 pips. You can set your final target as, see guys, this level, it is 35 pips. See guys, as a rule, 20 pips is only if you know price will clear that level, then you can set your target level at this level. See guys, 35 pips. Can't say very sure proof. Yes guys, I can't see the right side my demo trade because of I don't like to trade Friday, so I try this trade in demo. Can see in the right side, that's my proof. See guys, can see market makers always moving the market to liquidity. His market maker footprints, market makers always cut to the old low or old high to grab the liquidity, that is buy sell liquidity and sell liquidity, and can make us always mini market to the imbalance to rebalance. That's all, guys. They doesn't follow any other retailers concepts. See guys, all they are using clear price action, they are using clear liquidity. See guys, they are follow only liquidity strategy. Where is the next on liquidity? I hope, guys, this video will help you in a trading journey. If you learn from this video, please hit the subscribe button. It will induce me to share more ICT concepts in future. Let's see you guys on another video. Good luck, good trade.